3D scanning is the process of capturing the shape and appearance of a physical object and replicating it as a 3D virtual model. It is carried out through the use of 3D scanner. The scanned data can be shared, stored, altered, or used to create entirely new models. Hello, I am Mohan here, working as a manufacturing officer at Adyar Creations. Today, I will be telling you about all you should know about 3D scanning. 3D scanning gives user the ability to capture, manipulate complex geometries of an object or subject faster and more efficiently than with traditional methods. Technicians, architects, engineers, hobbyists, manufacturers and many others typically use 3D scanning regularly to convert physical model into 3D virtual files. 3D scanning technology can be applied at any point in a typical manufacturing cycle, saving time, money, material. The cost of a typical manufacturing design cycle can be reduced 75% by utilizing 3D scanning. Benefits of a 3D scanning includes quickly capture all of the physical measurements of an object, save time and complexity in design work, ensure parts fit together in the first iteration, capture engineering optimization inherent in manufactured parts, utilize modern manufacturing on parts that were manufactured before CAD, compare as designed model to as built condition of manufactured parts. 3D scanning technologies rely on different physical principles and can be classified into the following categories. Laser triangulation projects a laser beam into a surface and measures the deformation of the laser ray. Structured light measures the deformation of the light pattern when projected into a surface to 3D scan the shape of the surface. Photogrammetry, also called as 3D scan from photographs, is a technology that reconstructs a subject in 3D from 2D captured photos with a computer vision and computational geometry algorithms. Now let's compare the different 3D scanning technologies that we just learned to understand which technology is suitable for which kind of usage. Laser triangulation is an expensive technology and provides the best accuracy out of all 3D scanning technologies. The results generated are instantaneous and the scanners can either be handheld or tabletop. However, these scanners have specific size limit and objects that do not fall on the range cannot be scanned. Structured light 3D scanners are usually handheld and provide instantaneous results. The cheapest version of these scanners provide poor results, while the costlier one give out a good accurate 3D scans. These scanners have specific size limitations similar to laser scanners. In the photogrammetry process, we use a simple camera to capture photos from different angles. As cameras are used, there is no size limit of what we can scan. When proper methods and procedures are followed, excellent results are achieved through this method. This is the cheapest, best technology when it comes to cost, accuracy, size limitations, but the results generated are not instantaneous. To conclude on the different 3D scanning technologies, we find the photogrammetry process is efficient and easy to use for the vast number of applications. Talking about applications, let's check out where 3D scanning is used. Healthcare. 3D scanning can be used in the healthcare industry to scan parts of the human body and use the precise measurements of its process to create 3D printed medical devices, prosthetics and medical models. Industrial design. 3D scanners speed up the industrial workflow by making it easier to obtain the data needed for product development, rapid prototyping and quality control. Science and historic preservations. 3D scanning is used in the scientific community by researchers to capture and share data. Fragile produce and mummies can be safely scanned without fear of damage and shared with the other experts. Art and design. VR game developers, Hollywood SFX artists and talented art designers are just a few of the professionals who implement versatile 3D scanning technologies into their workflows to inject some magic into the world of art and design. Product development and design. 3D scanning enables improvements of existing products and provides engineers and technicians with a new way of seeing how objects work. Reverse engineering. Since 3D scanners collect the shape of an item to create a 3D CAD model for reproduction process, it enables fast and accurate reverse engineering. Manufacturing. 3D scanning solution significantly accelerates the workflow, help to avoid costly mistakes and enhance productivity. Wow, that's a long list of useful areas where 3D scanning plays an important role. 3D scanning is an innovation with an abundant number of uses, but complexity and cost have been constrained for others to easily implement it. That's where we at Adyar Creations are trying to make a change. We are offering simple, low-cost, user-friendly 3D scanning services that can not be only utilized by industries but also by individuals, students and others. While keeping our services pocket-friendly, we can achieve high precision to showcase every texture and detail of the product or a subject to be used in various fields. Check out few of the 3D scan models done by us at Adyar Creations. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Stay tuned on Adyar Creations YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Subscribe if not yet subscribed and click on the bell icon for receiving updates on more videos. Thank you.